Hello children, today we are here to discuss the video solutions. I'll give you the video solutions of the assignment dated 6th of August for the subject botany. Okay, now we'll just go to the paper. I will just show you the paper and I will give you the video solutions of all those questions which are mentioned in the 6th assignment. So this is the assignment dated 6th of August. As you can see, the first question is, which group represent in RNA nucleotide is very reactive and makes RNA liable and easily degradable than DNA? Now, there are two things responsible for the chemical reactivity of RNA. One is the presence of the oxygen at the second carbon atom of the ribose sugar, and second is uracil. So here we are only seeing options which have sugar in them. So answer will be, children, the second option, that is the second OH group present on the ribose sugar. Second question, a genetic material should be stable enough not to change with different stages of the life cycle, age of the cell or organism, change in physiology of the organism, all of these. So the most important criteria for a genetic material is its chemical and structural stability, which should be same in all stages, same at all ages, as well as it should not change with the metabolic processes which are taking place in the life cycle of an organism. So here the answer will be the fourth option. Next question, as you can see, third question, question number 3. Chemically, RNA is dash reactive and dash stable as compared to DNA. So chemically, RNA is more reactive and it is less stable as compared to DNA. So more reactive and less stable will be the answer. So answer is the third option. Question number 4. DNA as a genetic material. DNA is a genetic material because the properties of a good genetic material, children, should be replication, should be stability, slow mutation to allow for evolution or for formation of new species, and genetic expression. So here the question is, DNA is a genetic material because it has capacity to replicate, yes. It is chemically and structurally stable, yes. It provides scope for slow mutation, yes. So all of these will be the answer for the fourth question. Next, question number 5. A molecule that can act as a genetic material must fulfill the following criteria except it should be able to generate its replica, yes. It should be chemically and structurally stable, yes. It should provide the scope for rapid changes, is wrong. It should provide the scope for slow changes that are required for evolution. So this is the answer. And it should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. That means it should be responsible for the genetic expression. It should be responsible for genetic expression. Now we come down to question number 6. RNA acts as a genetic material in tobacco mosaic virus, which is a phytophage, as well as QB bacteriophage. So this and this both. So answer is the fourth option. So answer for the sixth question is fourth option. Question number 7. The genetic material should not change with the different stages of life cycle or age. Which property of genetic material is highlighted in the above statement? The property highlighted is, children, stability. Chemical and structural stability is a must for the genetic material. That is how it can store the genetic information. Question number 8. Which property of genetic material was explained by Griffith's experiment? So in Griffith's experiment, as you must have learned the experiment, in the Griffith experiment, children, the heat had destroyed the S bacteria, its pathogenic nature, but still the feature of the genetic material, that is the DNA, was not destroyed. So in the Griffith experiment also, the feature of the DNA which has been highlighted is stability. Question number 9. Read the statements and choose the correct option. RNA can directly code for the synthesis of proteins. It is true. It is true. Why it is true? Because the RNA is responsible for acting as a template for the synthesis of protein. DNA is a better transmission, is better for transmission of characters. That is also correct. So both A and B are correct. So answer for this question is 2. It should be able to generate its copies. That means this is the phenomenon of replication. So replication can be done by children, both DNA and RNA. So answer to this question would be the third option. So with this, we finish off the discussion on these 10 important questions from the topic features of the genetic material, or which is a better genetic material, DNA or RNA. Thank you.